Hey guys!
Hi!
Say hi!
Hi.
Hey guys! Yas here. Avery still saying hi. But guess where we're going? Can anyone guess in the comments where we're going right now?
Philly. Philadelphia.
Well, I meant the name. But,
It's called Crab Claw. Sound like that.
well, to sum it up, we're going to Philly to go to this seafood restaurant where they you get to pick what you want from the frozen food, and then they cook it, and then regular seafood boil. Well, it's not regular because I've never been there, so we're gonna go. This is our first time going, and I'm excited because I can get some fresh seafood right now. I can use it.
They're probably pointing to the bird. Yeah, the bird.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright, YouTube family, so we made a little rest stop. We didn't bring the kids inside because they don't have their jackets on. So I'm gonna just run inside, get some quick snacks for the road, like some water, chips. Cause remember, we're going to a seafood restaurant, so we don't want to eat too much. So we're just gonna get something small from this little spot right here. Molly Pitcher. Let's see what they got. Everything's always expensive when you're on the road. Why? Oh, wow, they got a Chick-fil-A. Damn, bro. And a Panda Express. Oh, they got a Shake Shack in too. And they got a Starbucks. Let's just ask some Starbucks. But I'm gonna get me some snacks, y'all. Again, let's see who gets it right again this time. Let me see. Oh, they don't even have my favorite Red Bull. Oh well. That's alright. We'll get some Gatorade. I ain't gonna hold you, chat. They got mad stuff here, so I'm glad. I ain't gonna hold you, chat. They got mad stuff here, so I'm kind of glad I didn't bring the kids in here. Cause they would have went crazy with all this candy and stuff and all the toys that's all in here. I think the lady that works in here is following me around like I'm stealing or something. I'm gonna see if you guys can peep her. I'm gonna try to not be so suspicious and stuff. There she go right there. Look, she just keep following me around. Hello. They just follow me around like I'm still in chat. I've been here only 2 minutes, chat, and I'm already being followed around. So I'm gonna be courteous and put everything on the counter. Hello. All right, let's see what they got. That's all I got, chat, right here. How much? Alright, got a little goodie bag. Now they were kind of funny, chat. I ain't gonna hold you. I was just being I guess too. What you call it when you think someone is being too much? But whatever. They were cool people. I gave her $1 tip because she had taped up my my $20 bill that was broken. Oh, just made it up. All right, chat. See ya in Philly. Back in the car, chat. Yeah, that was pretty to me it was kind of weird, cause I guess I was walking around grabbing mass stuff, and it was little stuff, but we ain't gonna make no big deal. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited. You feel me? Road trip. I love road trips. See.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Chat. We made it. We made it to Philly. Let me show you around. Don't ask me because I don't know what part of Philly we're in. Ooh, look how nice. This is pretty nice. This is nice. It is called Claw Bar. Is it Claw Bar? We made it. We made it. Yeah, Crab and Claw is called. Welcome. We made it to Philly. Guys, it's called Crab Claw. Yes, sir, ski. He said, wow. Shawty said, wow. Holy cow, bro. Only thing is, Sudden, get down. No. She's already starting. Man, chat. Only thing is you can't eat here. You know what I'm saying? But, oh my gosh. Yo, look at the crabs. Yes. Chat. Oh my god, what is that? Butter? Oh, look at the mussels. They got the Dungeness crabs. Wow. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff in here, chat. Man. Baby, you can ask them how it works, the ordering. Oh my god, chat. How can you not go crazy here? And then they got the fry. Got that look. What we're gonna do is, chat, we're gonna figure out how to order this. You can't eat here, fortunately, as you can see, it's only sitting area. You just take out. We're gonna just order our food and take it on the go and find like a view here in Philly to go sit down and eat it and enjoy it. So, see you in the next.
Yeah, T-Bane.
Yeah. You want the heat up too, or
yeah?
water?
I want all of it heated up.
I already ordered mine, so I'm excited, chat. Chat, so it's done. I got 3 packages of these. It's like basically like Obey seasoning. And I'll just give you guys a quick preview. Oh my god, don't that look good? Oh, wait till we... Ooh! Okay.
So, as you guys know, that there wasn't anywhere to sit in there. So, we did take the food to go. Now we are at Wendy's picking up something to eat for the kids because they don't like seafood. So, we're going to also eat in the car because we haven't found anywhere yet. And we just want to eat it while it's still hot. And then we can go explore. Here's the little, like, shopping center we came to. It has multiple things up in here. But we're on like the back side.
It took long because they only had one, not even nobody on the register, babe. Sorry that took long, guys. Sorry.
Here's the kids' food. And everyone's about to dig in.
We're here in Philly right now. We drove all the way from Jersey to Philly. We took a road trip, me, Yaz, and the kids. Nah, we wasn't in no plane crash. Everybody, please follow me on Twitch, guys. I'm going live at 7:30. 7:30 Eastern time. To give you guys the story. Did you show them mine on the camera? That's what you really need to do, babe. Get a good angle. Here, she don't want to share.
He got all that food, but still talking about eating some of mine.
You haven't seen me in a minute. This is definitely not $10, shot. Where is the seafood for $10 so I can pull up? I'm pulling up right now. Fuck you, man. How much is all this? Guys, and on top of that, I didn't even get to show you guys the... I got king crab legs as well. And snow crab legs. I'm just eating what I can right here so far because this plate is small.